Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. I am, this is the icon. Then open the list of all applications and go to the settings. Here you should scroll down a bit and pick System, and now go to the Backup. Here you can activate it simply by tapping on this switcher, and now you have to add backup account by clicking on account icon. Now give your device a few seconds to check all the information, and now log in with your Google account, so it can be either your email address or phone number. If you do not have one, simply create account over here. So let me log in with mine. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. Tap on next. And now you have to enter the password that you are using. If you click on the eye icon, you will be able to see what your current password is. So just let me enter mine off the screen. And here it is. Then click on next and wait a couple of seconds. Here you should come along with all the terms of usage Google services. So click on Google Terms of Services, and then you can select the document to read. And to come along with it, you should read them carefully because you have to agree with them. So just tap on I agree if you do. And finally, as you can see, backup and storage feature is active. So from now on, if you click on accept, all the data of yours will be backed to Google. So as you can see, this backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also the messages. So click on OK to finish the process, and that's it. As you can see, here is the backup account that you are using, and from now on, all the data will be here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.